Guys, come on, at least 1,000 likes.
Base super chatted $1.99. I love you, Pookie Bear. Egg, Oni, heart, heart.
Hey, thanks, Bay. When is your next vid? Chat, I'm so sad right now. I am so sad. Bro, chat. Wait, chat. Spread this everywhere. Spread this info. It's real. What is your next? Oh,
Nudesy super chatted $1.99. He probably got it from Skibbidy's syndrome.
Chat! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Spread 'em cheeks super chatted $2.
Shut up, spread 'em
My
cheeks!
boy look like his name should be Seth Skull.
Oh my. Bro, chat. Elite Cameraman thinks that my message is real.
Fleagle super chatted $1.99. Look at your notification.
Wait. Okay, Fleagle, hold on. Guys, he thinks it's real. Chat, he thinks it's real. He thinks it's a real message. He literally, how long ago was that message? He thinks it's real. 30 minutes ago. He thinks it's real. Fuck. Does he... Chat. Baliosis might have actually balled him. I know. This is so sad. Chat, this idiot thinks it's real. Wait, he thinks it's real. Why does he believe me? I talked to him 7 hours ago.
Base super chatted $1.99. Would you want to collab one day? Stakey boy. Playful face. Sneering face. Smirking face.
Don't laugh? Okay, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have laughed. Man, I am so sad. I think he gone. Sob. No, it's real. It's... Bro, please post it, please. You haven't seen nothing. Please post it, please, for me. Wait, is Boom gonna be mad? Should I delete it? I made it. It's fake. Nah, I think it's fine, LeMayo. Okay. Dude, you gotta make it seem real though. Like, I'm gonna private this stream. guys, come on. It'll be so funny. If he just is like, the fuck Boom is dead. Wait, how many likes does it have, chat? What's the next stream? What if I just do a stream and I have a funeral for him? Chat, what if I do a stream tomorrow and I have a funeral for the fuck Boom in like a cemetery? Look at your note. Why do you keep saying that? What do you...
Fleagle super chatted
I don't have one.
$1.99. Look at your notification.
I don't have a notification. What do you mean? I don't have one. You're doing him wrong? Skibbity grave? Dude, I will hold a funeral service Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. Did I just survive? My brain is hurting. I'm telling Creek you're trolling. No, don't tell Creek. Don't
Fleagle super
refresh the
chatted
post.
$1.99 on YouTube, silly.
Oh my god, 1.1k likes. And now who will send me leaks? Oh no. Chat, he's dead. He's dead. Elite, we gotta spread this everywhere, chat. We must spread this. Spread, smash like. Most importantly, put it on TikTok. Because all the TikTok kids are gonna believe it. Maybe you got bailiosis as well. Buddy, I did not get bailiosis. Delete this stream. Chat, should I delete? I'm gonna do a stream tomorrow called Rip the Fuck Boom. He's dead, chat. He is gone. He has disappeared. He is a dead man.
Fleagle super chatted $1.99.
Thank you for the repost, Fleagle.
I reposted it, can you see?
Okay, Skibbity. Okay, guys, should I just delete this stream really fast? Should I just private it so nobody sees this? And then they all just see the community post? Tomorrow, I'll do stream called Rip the Fuck Boom. He's gone. You look like Jack Frost if he let himself go. Mr. Super Melon, excuse me, pal. Oh, wait, chat, before I go. Yeah, everybody's saying yes. Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it. Chat, before I go, we have to do something. There's something really important that we have to do. We have to look at the new Fortnite skin. We have to clip farm really fast. We must clip farm. I need to. Mother Nature, everybody wants to rule the world.
Super chatted $7.77. Chatting small legendary hack roast battles.
Thank you, Bars! Everybody's been like, Steak, look at the new Fortnite skin. Steak, check out the new skin. You'll really like it. Oh yeah, Blood? Why will I really like it? And why did this guy just send me this GIF? Wait, Chad, the new Fortnite skin? Helen? Helen! It's Helen! Chat, it's not Helen. It's not Helen. It's not Helen. It's not Helen. Shut up. It ain't Helen, chat. It ain't Helen. You're lying to me. It's not Helen. It cannot be Helen Parr. If it's Helen Parr, I'm going to crash out. If it's Helen Parr, I'm crashing out. If it's Helen Parr, I'm done. Helen Parr? Helen Parr? Is it you? Chat, Helen Parr is not loading. Helen Parr. Helen Parr. Helen. Oh, Helen. I clipped it. Helen. Shop.
Fleagle super chatted $1.99. Fix your hair. It's disgusting, heart.
Helen. Chat, of course, I'm talking about the Lego one, of course. That's what I'm excited about, chat, the Lego one. Love Legos. I like Legos. I love Legos and Fortnite. I like Fortnite and Legos, and I'm really excited about Fortnite. Lego Fortnite and Mrs. Incredible. Yeah! Oh! Oh! Ooh, Helen. Helen. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream, chat. I'm gonna delete this stream really fast, okay? Don't tell anybody that I made all the stuff up about the fuck boom. Don't tell anybody. Bro, there's no headset that V. Oh my god. Holy shit. Okay. It's not that bad, okay? Shut up. It's not that bad, okay? It's not that. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I swear. I swear. What is? Ah! Oh shit, bro. Chat. My mustache got stuck on my arm and it scared me to death. Oh man, my fake mustache from yesterday. I thought it was a caterpillar. Oh my god, that scared me. Oh my god, it's just a fake mustache. Don't worry. All right, guys. I'll see you all later. I'll see you tomorrow. The Fuck Boom funeral. So sad. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna delete this stream so that nobody knows what I did. Don't tell anyone what I did. Don't tell anyone what I have done. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell anyone.
Pat God has dropped some more videos. I'm late, I know.